Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we'll begin with taking a walk around the exterior. I'm also going to point out some major talking points and features of this 420i M Sport Gran Coupe presented in the Estrella Blue. So alongside that, of course, we fitted the vehicle with a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Included in that these very nice 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. So of course at the front you'll see there it's got the facelifted LED angel light and projector headlamps. And moving on down the side of the car, you'll also be able to see it gets the BMW gloss black air breathers alongside our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Moving on for a glance at the interior, again showing you off just how nicely presented this 4 Series Gran Coupe really is. The interior for the car is the black Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and again should be coming through nicely there. Everything is in fantastic condition. It does also have that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside that very nice brushed aluminium and high gloss black interior trim. Your rear seat configuration is a nice fixed 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and again everything is in fantastic order, very nice, clean and tidy. And of course your dark condemned sport headline in there. Moving on to the rear of the car, again showing you off these brand new alloy wheels. So at the back of the vehicle, BMW introduced these stunning sharpened rear LED lights alongside our additions being the gloss rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler. Opening up that tailgate there, you can see the very nice functioning automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals a very large boot space, alongside the fact that you can take out both of the partial shelves to of course enhance that room, and split folding seats. Moving on now to the other side of the car, where again we can show you just how nicely presented this Estrella Blue colour is on this car, and alongside how well it works with all of the additions made here at Your Next Car. And I'm going to go on now, I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle and just run yourselves through a couple of interior features in a bit more depth. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside the car. First thing we do is obviously start the car up, and I'll run you through some things that are situated on the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently there now, we are on the Connected Drive Plus screen. This is a really useful feature and gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, which are all powered via Google and utilise the vehicle's own onboard 4G network. And of course we've got real-time traffic updates, including in the sat-nav to keep you on the fastest route possible, alongside a wide array of multimedia inputs from everything from your DAB, music collection, USB and AUX inputs. Alongside that, of course, we've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. Down here we'll find the dual climate control along with the switches for the heated seats. And if I go back into my vehicle, I can check out all of the service history and service requirements for the car. This 4 Series has covered just over 27,000 miles, and as you can see there, the next service isn't due until 6,000 miles time, and does again have full BMW service history. And as I mentioned at the start, has the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well, all on that multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. And of course, if you remember, in the description there is links to both our website alongside direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car as well. Thank you very much. Do of course take care. See you soon. Goodbye.